The ultimate club sandwich. Triple-decker perfection made fresh for America today. The wings are still with me. Hey, y'all. Loved my buffalo wings. Now get ready, ultimate club sandwich. Here are every single ingredient you need for the ultimate club. The picks make it official. Without the picks, it's just a tall sandwich. With the picks, it's a club sandwich. Sandwich science. Thick-cut bacon cooked perfectly crispy. Ah, the soul of every club sandwich. The bread returned. Golden toasted bread on all sides at the perfect club sandwich foundation. This spread could be famous. Mayo and Dijon combined and spread on every slice of toast. Quality testing complete. Fresh Roma tomato rounds and crispy iceberg lettuce, vibrant and beautiful. Turkey, ham, cheddar, Swiss red, all fanned and ready for the club. Structural sandwich integrity. First layer, lettuce, turkey, ham, cheddar on that golden toast. Middle bread layer, bacon, tomato, Swiss cheese. The club builds up. Top layer on, the ultimate club sandwich triple decker is complete. It is taller than I anticipated. Sandwich science. 4 colorful picks inserted. This makes it officially a club sandwich. The diagonal cut reveals style. Every beautiful club sandwich layer. 4 triangles fanned perfectly, every gorgeous layer revealed and beautiful. Sandwich symmetry achieved. The pickle refuses to cooperate. Final answer, dill pickle spear and golden chips, the ultimate American deli plate.
The ultimate club sandwich, blah. American deli perfection on a plate.
Oh, America. Every single layer perfect. Bacon, turkey, ham. Every chip matters. 4 ultimate club sandwiches plated beautifully. Pure American deli perfection.
The ultimate club sandwich, made with love for all of America.
If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, oven, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.